This is WPTV News Channel 5 today on 5.
And we're in Jupiter, shining a light at the Edna W Runner Tutorial Center. They're having their shop-a-thon. It's where kids work all year long to earn toys or gifts for their loved ones, from grandma to grandpa to teachers. We'll tell you all about it when we come back. You're watching Today on 5.
An education center in Jupiter's Limestone Creek neighborhood that bears the name of a trailblazer known for her unwavering dedication is on its 37th year.
Yeah, the soul of that place passed away just before Thanksgiving, leaving behind a legacy of academic excellence.
But T.A. Walker shining a light this morning on the Edna W Runner Tutorial Center and the work T.A. is doing to keep her legacy going.
Yeah, they really are with the shop-a-thon. Travis is here. He's the nephew of Edna, and you're the executive director.
Yes,
What's
sir.
it like to continue her legacy?
It's an honor. She really was a true privilege, or excuse me, a true treasure in our community. So it's very much an honor to keep serving for her legacy and for the kids as well.
I was impressed yesterday when I was talking about her that everybody knows her.
Oh, yeah. If you go around Jupiter, West Palm Beach County itself, everybody knows Miss Edna. She was a beacon of light for everybody, and she will be greatly missed. But we're going to keep going, and her namesake, we got it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Mary Kay, a shop-a-thon. Explain to folks what that is.
Well, Shop-a-thon was created by Miss Edna. It's where children get to come and experience the joy of giving by choosing a gift for someone in their family. It's an absolutely amazing experience where the children get to understand how wonderful it is to watch someone they love open a gift they picked out themselves and had wrapped themselves. So it's truly a joyous occasion for our volunteers and for the kids.
And they work all year long for this privilege, right?
They do, all year long.
And if they're really good, they get this honor table. They get a gift themselves, right?
The honor table, and those are the good gifts. They really care about that, and it motivates them all year long.
Anna, what are some of y'all's needs here at the center?
Well, our needs, we have government funding, but that doesn't cover everything. So what we rely on is donors, private foundations. So we write many, many grants. So if you want to donate to the Edna Runner Center, please visit our website.
Thank you. Lori, what's the best part about the shop-a-thon? You're a volunteer here.
Well, Miss Edna created this shop so the children could have a place to experience the joy of giving. And for a volunteer, we get to experience the joy of Christmas by walking the kids through and helping them choose a gift. And just to see the delight on their faces and their expectation of what the people are going to experience when they get the gift, it's just precious.
Awesome.
So we're excited to help out every year.
Well, thank you for volunteering. That's awesome. Now, as we back out, Elvis, Holly, and Ashley, Santa Claus is here. And on Friday, Santa Claus is going to be delivering the gifts to the kids at the basketball court so they could take to mom, dad, grandparents, on and on, right?
Santa.
Yes, we are. And we are so thankful that we get to continue Edna's legacy in doing this because these kids really, at the end of the day, some of them don't get Christmas.
Yeah.
Some of them do get Christmas, but they need support. They need your help. So whatever you can do, whatever you can give, we want you to be a part of this. Edna wants you to be a part of this. Her family wants you to be a part of this. So get involved. Get in this. I'm wearing this suit, so everybody can get involved.
In Florida.
Can do their part. I think Edna would be proud of
so
all
too.
of that.
Tell Santa back there, we see his sacrifice. We see him. Thanks so much, T.A.
All right, we're at the Edna W Runner Tutorial Center. And all these gifts you see right here, kids have been working for to earn all year long so they can have gifts for their teachers, their parents, their loved ones. We're going to tell you all about it when we come back.
She was a trailblazer, wore a lot of hats, and one of them was tutoring kids in Jupiter's Limestone Creek neighborhood for 37 years.
Edna W. Runner died just before Thanksgiving this year, but her legacy lives on. This morning, T.A. Walker is shining a light and showing us how. T.A.?
Good morning, Ashley. Good morning, Holly. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, we're at the tutorial center right now. This is her executive director, and you guys are continuing her legacy with a shop-a-thon. Explain what a shop-a-thon is.
The shop-a-thon is where all the students get to come in and not only shop for themselves, but their family as well. So grandma, sister, brother, whoever, they get to get any kind of gift they want.
And this is something that was really important to Edna, right?
Absolutely. She started off with just giving teachers toys from the students, and she said that's not what Christmas is about. It's about bringing your family together. So she wanted to get the kids a gift as well as their family.
David is her son, and David, tell me the special story about how this all got started.
Well, years ago, one of our former students stole one of the items from her desk, and she asked why. And he wanted to provide a gift for his teacher because the family didn't have funds. So after that, she got together to ensure that every kid would have a gift for not only their teachers, but also for the families.
Thank you so much. Mary Kay, first of all, you're giving out all these gifts that students earn all year long, right?
Absolutely, and it's such a special thing for them and for everyone that get it.
It's worthless, right?
This is actually the most important gift in the room. You go know.
But they actually earn these gifts, right?
They do, and it's a remarkable thing for them, and the joy in their eyes when it's incredible.
Awesome. Go. Goldo. Santa, what do you think about the FSU thing?
Let me stand up because somebody thought I was in a wheelchair. I think the FSU, you just leave them alone. It sucks that they didn't get into the, CMP.
Okay, Santa, thank you so much. We got to go.
I just thought he was short. You know the story about the child who...
She thought you were short.
I'm short, exactly. He's very tall. The story about the child stealing from Miss Edna's desk and then her just taking the time out to consider the circumstances.
It's a beautiful way this whole thing was inspired. Also, TA, of note, your one-liners today are 100%. They're on point. It's worthless now. That was hilarious.
Okay, sit back down, Santa. Sit back down. You need your energy.